Hello, this is Denilson, and today I'm going to explain my CA. So how I create and how I start with the idea. So I write here, and I know that we need to have two races, and we need to have a main class, a parent class for car, and then these subclasses as a sport, SUV, truck, and electric car need to hide it and hide the car's methods. And then so I create my car, my main class, my parent class with the classes that they ask. Also the construction, we have to get it inserted, and then I create an empty method that I'm gonna use later on the subclasses for the cars. And then I have my other method, the overriding from the perform action, so that I implemented here. So this actionable is basically the interface that this is saying that each car or where it's implemented is in need to have an action or need to do something. What action need to do? Need to do a boost, drift, or repair. That it's also asking on here. Yeah, on here. So and then after that, I create my subclass that is gonna be each the cars classes, and I extend it from car. So they're gonna bring everything that is in car in here, and then I use it the empty method. I'm using it here, and then I create the constructor also for the cars. And then this is what this gonna do is when they are fire or when they're doing something like boost or drift, they're gonna have their own message. So it's gonna display the name of the car and then a message. And then I create the race. So this race is this. What they do is I create a drive, and then after that I did the construction and this method that is going to add the car. So it's going to add 6 car, no more than 6 cars on the race, and then it's going to display the other method here is going to show the cars, what cars are competing on the race, and what are the acceleration, the handling, and the durability during the race. And then they're gonna display the start race. It's gonna start the race. So because we added here, so it's gonna start the race, and also it's going to give you a randomly action. So some cars can boost, other can drift, and going to repair. That's why I use the random method. And then at the end, it's gonna display the race has finished, and then I just return it. And then I have the main. So here is where I create my car, my 6 car, and then I create here the two races, and then I add the cars to the races. So each of these car I added on the two races. One is going to be on the city race, and the other on the off-road race. And then I have the city. I have the show participants. So here I'm going to show each. Basically, I'm going to show this to the users, and then I start the race. When I start the race, it's going to show what is on the race here. It's going to show this. After that, I just display a message where was the specification for, I mean, the best action. So what was the most impressive action during the race of the Ferrari, the Tesla, and it's going to look like this. So here we can see that Ferrari has joined to the race, and then we have the what cars are competing which race, and then we have the race that have been starting for the city race and off race, and then we have the manual action demonstration that is going to say like what was the acceleration and the durability, the most impressive cars on the race. That's it. Thank you.